Hi, and welcome to Permissions Assistant, your power tool for streamlining Salesforce security management. You may have noticed this org selector in the top navigation. In this video, we'll show you how to connect multiple Salesforce orgs so you can manage them all from one place. And at the same time, unlock powerful cross-org comparison features. Let's get started. Okay, here, let's head to the Setup tab. Make sure you select Org Connections from this drop-down. This table shows all orgs you've connected. You should already see one connection here. That's the org you're currently in. Permissions Assistant automatically guides you to create this connection when you first load the app. Quick note, org connections are user-specific. Other users in this org will manage their own connections separately. Let's go ahead and click New to add a new org. This will open up the new connection wizard. Let's walk through it. First, we'll enter the domain name of the org we want to connect. You can find this under the Setup Company Settings My Domain page, or just copy it from your org's URL. That's what I'm going to do. And in this case, we're going to connect to a Scratch org. Note, if you are connecting to a sandbox, you would want to check this sandbox and then enter the sandbox name. On the same token, if it's a Scratch org, you would check that instead. For production orgs, leave both unchecked. But in our example, we're connecting to a Scratch org. Now, Permissions Assistant will create a remote site setting to enable this connection. Let's click OK to proceed. You may be redirected to log in and authorize access to that org. Once you've authorized, return to the setup page, and perfect. Your new org is now connected. Now, we can switch between orgs using that org selector. And just like that, we've unlocked cross-org comparison features, which let you compare permissions between sandbox and production or across any orgs that you manage. We'll deep dive into comparison features in another video. In case you want to disconnect an org, the process is as simple as returning to the org management setup page, selecting the connection you want to remove, and finally just clicking delete. Next, I recommend watching our snapshot management video to learn how to track permission changes over time. And remember, it's free to get started. See for yourself how Permissions Assistant helps you streamline Salesforce security management. Thanks for watching.